Hi, Di the Safe Guy here, Di Hawley Sales Manager at Safe & Vault Store, to talk about one of the most economical gun safes out there today, the AMSEC TF5924E5. This safe is 59 inches tall, 24 inches wide, and 18 inches deep from front to back. It comes in black. It also has a standard digital ESL5 lock, which has a single user. Let's take a look on the inside. This safe will support 8 long guns on one side or 16 long guns on both sides. The inside door organizer has one spot here for a long gun. It also has 2 pistol pouches and miscellaneous pouches for clips, ammo, and any other items that you want to put in there. The TF5924E5 has a 30-minute fire rating, but it also has a lifetime warranty against fire and burglary. As you can see, there are 1-inch door bolts all around, on top, on the latching side, and on the back side here as well. On this economical safe, the door steel is 3/16" solid steel. The body has 14 gauge steel on all 5 sides. Another nice feature about this safe is it has 4 anchor holes in the bottom, as you can see down there, so you can secure it to a concrete or a wood floor. And finally, the AMSEC TF5924E5 has the very best gun safe warranty in the industry. Look how simple it is. No legal clauses or lawyers involved. It states simply, if your gun safe's in a fire, just send them a copy of the fire marshal's report. They will build you a brand new one and ship it to you free of charge. If unfortunately someone tries to break into it and ruins the door or the safe itself, just send them a copy of the police report and they will send you a brand new safe free of charge. This is the best warranty in the industry. So if you're looking for a good value gun safe, look no further than the AMSEC TF5924E5. This is Di the Safe Guy, Di Hawley, signing off for today. Thanks for listening.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.